Hi y'all, it's Kathy here with Design by Kathy. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to show you how to upcycle an average, it's a Patron bottle, liquor bottle, into a trendy decorative vase. I'm going to show you how to paint the glass from the inside out. Let's get started and do that now. Okay, this is what you'll need to do this little project. First of all, you will need to choose a bottle or a vase or anything that you want to decorate and change the color of. This is a Patron bottle. Don't worry if you don't partake in these. All you have to do is let people know you're collecting bottles, and they come out of the woodwork with, sharing their bottles. This is a Craftsmart from Michael's Sea Mist Pearl that I'm going to be using today. Now I do not have I'm going to use this. This is actually a takeout container from Cheesecake Factory. So we're going to recycle that as well into something useful that catches our paint. I don't have a funnel, but I'm just going to kind of, gently, without cracking it, the cup, pour it in and make it have a little spout there, and we're going to pour it in. Now that is all in there, we're just going to take our this is our vase that it's now going to be, and we're just going to swirl it, keep swirling it. The other thing you could try, we hadn't tried this, but the other thing you could try is maybe adding a little water. But I'm just going to keep circling around and around as that totally coats the inside of this bottle. I'm just going to let it keep running down all around the edges of. Yeah, see, there it goes. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it is just covering so nicely. But I've got this, to where we can let it just run out, but I don't want it all to run out till I make sure all the sides are covered. Now I want to get this outer lip here. That's still going there. Okay, I'm just wanting to make sure that it's not moving so much, inside here, but it looks like it's covering it nicely. I'm actually going to turn it back upright and let it flow back down inside a little bit. You see where it kind of came over the edges, and I don't want it, I want it to all stay inside. Again, this is Sea Mist Pearl, and it is a beautiful color. I love this color. Let's see if we can set it in this. I don't know, this might be too heavy because, these, yeah, I think it will stand. Anyway, I want to let the paint, just what's the excess in there just drip out and not pile up and, make a big blob there. There's still a good bit of paint in here. Anyway, so I know that'll work now, but we're going to keep on. I'm going to let it run back down, and I just want to keep on twirling it around and, coating it. So this is an easy project. It's as long as you've got something for your paint to drip off in, it's not necessarily a messy project. but you can rechange anything in your house as far as a vase or a glass. Now, if you use like a wine glass or something, that normally you'd be putting something in, if you put the paint inside, it's not going to be food safe at that point. All right, we're going to continue to let that flow and let that, let it do its thing there, and then we'll see what our final product looks like. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to upcycle an average liquor bottle, into a trendy decorative vase or just an accent piece. I hope you'll give this a try. As you saw, it's a really easy project to do. Just give it a try. If you have any questions or comments, I hope you'll leave that below. And if you like it, please like it and share it and subscribe. Anyway, whatever you do, folks, my motto is, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it.